If you suspect that your Apple ID has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to regain access quickly to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.com. This is where you can manage your account and start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the sign-in page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password and regain access. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address when prompted. If you don't remember your Apple ID, you can click on Look It Up to find it using your personal information. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you regain access, immediately update your security settings. Change your password to something strong and unique, enable two-factor authentication, and review your account for any unauthorized changes. By following these steps, you can effectively regain access to your Apple ID and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant about your account security.